Hi everyone, Mikey Denman here. Oh my gosh, I'm in Sydney and today I start my tour. I missed the tour yesterday because I was late. It was a walking tour around Sydney, but oh well, we moved. And today we've got a catamaran boat cruise. I'm so excited. I'm traveling with Ultimate Travel and I'm staying in Up Hostel. It was a really good hostel, had a really good location, lots of things going on around the place, had a 24-hour reception. The dorm I was staying in was a 10-bedroom dorm and it was really nice because I got to stay with mainly people that I was on the tour with. Each floor had a bathroom for male and females and these included showers and everything, which was lovely. There was also the commune area for kitchen and where you could sit down and eat food. It was so slay. So the hostel actually had a bar, which is called Sidebar, which is a club/bar downstairs underneath. And it also had a cafe called Roy's. And you could just get stuff in there in the morning, which I did. And it was such a slay. It was actually huge. Don't know whether it was maybe a bit too big. I thought I'd put some of the staff suggestions in as well. We actually managed to do some of these. So off we go. I'm so excited. We're actually heading off as a big group for the first time and we're going to be going on the catamaran tour around Sydney Harbour and past the Opera House. Girl, it might look cloudy, but the UVs are 14. So everyone, today the activity is a coastal walk from Bondi to Coogee. I'm so excited and we're about to go. Started the day off with a free Roy's breakfast because our dorm door wouldn't lock last night. So they gave us a voucher for free breakfast. I'm not going to complain. We then took a free shuttle to Coogee Beach and then we started our walk. There were so many beautiful places along this walk. The scenery was insane. The walk, I would say, was between an hour and 2 hours. We did stop quite a lot, which was nice. Then we came to the infamous Bondi iceberg pools, which were insane. And also there was loads of graffiti along the Bondi Beach walls and I loved it. For the rest of the afternoon, we actually sat on Bondi and Bondi Rescue was filming, which was so insane. And I loved it. And then I went to see an art museum on the coastal front, which was lovely. And then we just did some shopping. Enjoyennn. When we got back to the hostel, I realised I had put sun cream on my back in the most weirdest way and it didn't work. Then we got some drinks and headed down to Sidebar. It was raining, lol, but we were fine. We then danced the night away and actually it was a really nice icebreaker for the group. You know, get drunk, have a little boogie. We love it. Hey everyone. Okay, so today we're actually going to be going surfing. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And we're going to have a really good video in this trip. I love it. So we started off, we got our ferry from Sydney Harbour all the way to Manley. I loved Manley Beach. Manley Beach was really, really pretty. And I actually think maybe a little underrated. We then met the team at the surfing school and it was very straightforward. They went through everything with us, did some exercising, and then we started our lesson. So I actually really loved that surf lesson. It was so fun. Everyone's now chilling on the beach over there, having some lunch. And yeah, the surf school was actually really good. They were really, really helpful. I've done some surfing before, but girl, I needed the help. A really cool hidden gem on Manley Beach has got to be the Manley wormhole. So what you want to do is you want to go to the far end of the beach, like so, and follow the QBC heart sign. You want to wear trainers for this bit because it can get a bit bumpy. But seriously, you go through the cave and you come out the other side and it's just the most amazing view. I loved it. So after a lovely afternoon of just chilling on Manley Beach, we then headed back to Central via ferry and we headed to Spice Alley for some food. And Spice Alley is actually really cool. It was very good, central, close to the hostel, and there was literally every type of food that you can imagine. We then had quite a chill evening and headed to a place called Shark Hotel where they had loads of pool tables and different games. The next day was an early starter and it was amazing. We were all heading to the Blue Mountains National Park. I genuinely couldn't wait. I was so excited. They call it the Blue Mountains because of the eucalyptus trees causing like a blue in the air around the mountains. It was so cool. You could only really see it in person. Here's Joshua being a spy on Lincoln's Rock. with its GoPro. Love it. So we had 2 stops before lunch and 2 stops after lunch. After Lincoln's Rock was Princess's Rock, and we headed through here. And then after that, then we headed towards the Wentworth Falls along the Undercliff track. The Undercliff track was insane. I'm not gonna lie to you, I loved this. I felt like I was in a movie going along this path. Don't know why, I just loved it. The falls themselves were like something out of Avatar. Girl, I've never been short of words, but I was speechless. I was speechless. So you can actually walk down to the bottom of the falls. We started and then we thought, better not, because I don't think we'd actually get back up. The steps, they were big. The next stop after lunch was the Three Sisters. So we heard the story about the Three Sisters and then we headed on over. And I was looking at 3 mountains. It wasn't 3 mountains. It was actually just these 3 rock figures. I couldn't believe it. I felt like such a silly goose. The final stop of the day, and I'm not going to lie to you, I think it was my favourite, was Jelly Bean Pool. Oh my gosh, they were so relaxing. I feel like after such a hot day of hiking, it was exactly what we needed. It was really fun. You got to like jump in, just chill. It was a really nice stop. I thoroughly enjoyed it. So we're actually coming down to the harbour now to actually watch a set of fireworks that go off every Saturday at 9 p.m. I'm so excited. It's going to be good. Then we're going to do a bar crawl and it's going to be fabulous. I found the hostel was really good for putting events on almost every night. One night they even did a Barbie night and that was so fun. They gave us loads of little things to wear like hulas and it was just amazing. Paddy's Market was actually a really good market open in Sydney. It was really easy to get to via tram and it was in Chinatown. I love this market. It literally has everything from A to Z and literally everything. I really wanted to get an Australian top, so me and Kirsty did a bit of shopping and we got ourselves an Australian top. It cost us a whopping of $5 each. I don't even think I could get that in the UK. It was so cheap. That evening then, I met up with Eva and some of her work colleagues and we were going to plan a big surprise for Eva, my best friend from back home, who is going to be arriving tomorrow. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, so today is my last day in Sydney, but my bestie boo, Aoife, and her boyfriend, Colin, are arriving from Ireland, and I just can't believe it. They're going to move into Sydney, and I'm going to be here for the first day. I love it. I love it. I also went out last night, so I'm pretty rough. I'm pretty rough. It was so lush to catch up and I was gutted that we only had the day together, but girl, we were heading to Byron Bay, baby. Okay, so I actually look exhausted because I went out last night, but this is actually the first sleeper bus we're doing. It's from Sydney to... Oh! I couldn't see you then. I didn't see it. It's from Sydney to Byron Bay. It's 12 and a half hours of this. Say hello, everyone. Hey! She loves it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already and to follow on for the rest of my travels. Love you. Bye.